Do you want a free boat? Well, we at Holly Acres can't do that, but what we can do is put you in a brand new boat for as little as $150 a month. That's right, $150 a month. This is not a lease, you own it. We offer a full line of boats from Bayliner and Regal, with models starting at 16 foot, going all the way up to 52 feet. Bayliner, the #1 selling boat in the world, makes boating fun, affordable, and we make it easy. Holly Acres is proud to carry the Regal brand, one of the finest luxury boats you can buy. Regal has been awarded 6 J.D. Power Awards in the last 4 years and has been awarded 24 CSI Awards in the last 6 years. Regal makes boats from 19-foot runabouts to 52-foot yachts. Regal not only builds luxury into every model, but they also build in great performance and better fuel economy with their exclusive fast-track hull design. This makes the boat run smoother and faster while using up to 30% less fuel. We at Holly Acres will make your boating fun and easy with our on-the-water training and expert advice to help you choose the right boat for your lifestyle. Boating, it's fun, relaxing, and more affordable than you think. Come by and let us help you get started. It's like taking a vacation every weekend when you own a boat. We at Holly Acres can take care of all your boating needs, from financing to brand new Regals and Bayliners. Come by and see me, Jeff Myers, and my sales team at Holly Acres Marine Sales.